How to see your workout report on Samsung Health app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to see your workout report on Samsung Health app. So if you're also using Samsung devices, and as most of you know that if you log into your Samsung Health application, it will keep you a track of record for your workout session. So to view that, you can basically open the Samsung Health application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And you can basically tap on this first option, which pops up right at the home screen, which is related to your daily activity, about how much steps you have covered and about how much calorie you have gained or lost. And once you do all of that, just come back over here and you can simply click on this My Page button from the bottom right corner to view your weekly report as well. So you can just tap on this weekly report option over here and you'll be getting a lot of info on what you did throughout the week, from, let's say in this example, from 11th August to 17th August, what I did and what my duration, that is longest duration, was, what my top exercises was, etc. And you can also see the average daily steps. And if you have added some new data such as walking, food, or swimming, or taking a bike, indoor other activities, then it will also get you on the info on those activities as well. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.